It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like
Hey ladies, Renee here with another hair tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a silk press and a pin curl to finish. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by blow drying our hair. We're going to make sure that it's completely detangled. You don't want to have any knots. I'm using a wide tooth comb and my blow dryer set on high heat. Now I'm using a flat brush to make sure the hair is nice and smooth. Next, we're going to be doing a flat iron. I'm going to use heat protectant just to make sure that I don't cause excessive heat damage. I'm separating my hair into 4 sections so that it's more manageable. But if you have thinner hair, then 2 sections would be just fine. I'm using the chase method and I'm using a denim brush, and then flat iron is set at 450. Now, if your hair cannot take 450, just don't go there, okay? Set it to 400, 350, whatever you can handle. Don't be alarmed by the smoke. That's all the products we put on the hair to protect it. I'm making thin sections because I want to make sure to only do 1 pass. And you see how slow I'm going down the hair shaft? I'm not rushing through it. I'm taking my time. All right, so you see the flat iron side and the blow dried side. A big difference, right? All right, look how flowy that is. Look how flowy that is. There's no trickery here. We took our time and look at that. Look at that. Okay, now it's time for the pin curls. So once again, I'm separating my hair into 4 sections. That's just what I do. And we're going to be using a 1.5-inch barrel curler. It's set at 300 or about 400 depending on the section. And I'm using just a regular pin just to pin it away. Okay, now you're going to take your time. So we roll up, we hold for about 5 to 10 seconds, let the curl drop, then we're going to roll it up between our fingers. And then we pin it away. Now, doing a pin curl is not easy, okay? I'm not going to tell you this is the easiest thing to do. But if you practice and get that rolling right, it's going to turn out fabulous every time. Now, I kept this in my hair for about 30 minutes, but you can keep it in all day. You can sleep on it. That's up to you. Because if you have to get ready and you want your curls to be a little tighter, then you're going to keep it in longer. All right, time for the reveal, y'all. Can y'all wait? Girl. So I brush out my pin curls, but you can just leave it the way it is. To each his own. Whatever you feel looks good. But you're just gonna get that flowy, bouncy hair. Cover girl can't touch you with this hairstyle.
That's right.
All right, that's it for this video. Join me in a couple days for my new hair tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, ladies.